Hey Jen, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I really appreciate you speaking with me today. Um, I'm just making that quick little video to show you how you can improve your website and bring in more customers for free. So here we are on your website, and you have a nice looking website. And you do have a little bit of content, which is good. Um, But unfortunately, Google does not rate you based on appearance. They have robots called crawlers that search the internet and index your pages based on your content and your keywords. So the rule of thumb is your homepage should have a minimum of 1,500 words, and that breaks out to about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. And then in addition to that, you still need to have more content, more words than your top competitors. And you need to do that on all of your pages. So however many keywords you're going after on those pages, you need 150 times that. And you should have separate service pages and be going after those keywords as well. So what a buyer intent keyword is, it's when those are keywords that your customers actually are putting into Google to find your website, to find the services they're looking for. They may not necessarily know the name of the company, but they know the service that they're looking for, and that's how they're going to find you. So you want to make sure that you work on your content and keyword strategy. Now, if we look at your top competitor, they are Presidential Pools and Spas, and they also have a nice looking website. And they've got some content, but again, not nearly enough content. So if you work on your homepage and all your back pages, and you work on this content strategy and this keyword strategy, you can become more competitive with this company. Now, excuse me. This is a program we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how a website performs. And as you can see, Google has given you a rating of a 0 out of 100. And that is because of your backlinks. You have 67 backlinks and a 0 rating, which says that a lot of these backlinks are not helpful and are actually hurting you. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you only want to go after the highly authoritative backlinks. Because of the lack of content, you're only being indexed for 12 keywords. And so between your backlinks and your keywords and content, you are only organically getting 5 customers a month to your website organically. And there's over 10,000 of monthly searches. So you're missing out on a whole lot of volume and potential customers. If we look at your competition, they have a rating of a 28 with over 2,400 backlinks. And because of their content, they're able to index over 3,800 keywords. And between their keywords, backlink, and content, they're actually able to pull in 6,600 customers to their website organically every month. So that is like 3/4 of the search volume. So you are missing out on a lot. So you gotta get working on your content and keyword strategy, and be going after those backlinks. You know what a backlink is? It's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant, the more authoritative, the higher Google is going to rank you. And you also want to make sure that they are do follows instead of no follows. No follows don't give you much power, but do follow will actually share the power of those high-ranking sites with you and help you to rank faster in Google. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about, when a customer puts a search in Google, one of the first things they're going to see are ads, and then the second part is the Google My Business or Google Map Pack. And your goal should be to be in the top 3. This is a highly competitive spot, and that is because 30% of people don't go any further. They won't go to the websites. They're not going to view all. They're not going to go anywhere else. So if you're not in this top 3, you're literally handing money to your competition. So in order to get here and maintain a spot here, you have to have an optimized website. There is a variety of different factors, but one of the biggest factors is citations, which is the name of your company, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Facebook, and Yelp. And you need to have a lot more of those citations than your top competition. So when you apply these tips I've given you today, you can become #1 across Google for all of your search terms and all of your pages. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've given you and apply it yourself, and that's totally okay because it's free education. I just ask that you give us some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you just don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.